Welcome back, Nighthawks. We're so excited for the new school year, and we created this video to make sure that you're all set to go on the first day of school on Thursday, August 27th. So in this video, we're going to show you how to find your schedule, your teacher's Google Classrooms, our school calendars, and how to navigate your first day of school. So the first thing we're going to show you is how to get your schedule. So you are going to go to Infinite Campus and make sure that you are logged in with your school email account and password, and you're going to use single sign-on in order to get into Infinite Campus. Once you're in Infinite Campus, that's when you're going to be able to find your schedule. So if you go up to the top where there's these three lines, you're going to go down and you're going to click on Schedule. And that's where you'll be able to pull up your class schedule. So you'll notice here you can see all classes. It'll have all of your classes all the way through sixth period. And you'll notice first period, this student has conceptual physics from 7:55 to 8:55 with Mr. West. So now that you know how to find your schedule, we're going to use the information from your schedule in order to be able to find your Google Classroom codes for each of your teachers. So here is where you're going to go to natomusunified.org. And at natomusunified.org, we're going to find the digital backpack. The digital backpack is a one-click where you click on the backpack, and it's going to let you choose Natomus High School, which is down here at high schools. And here you're going to have all of the information you need in order to go to school this fall. So you'll take a look. If we scroll all the way down, and we're going to find our class codes. Remember, your first period teacher was conceptual physics, Mr. West. So I'm going to go down and find the science classes. So I'm scrolling down. Here's social studies, and here's science. And here I'm going to find my first period teacher, Mr. West. So you'll notice that Mr. West has his class codes all the way across for first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So you have Mr. West first period, then you're going to highlight and Command C to copy this code, and that's how you're going to join his Google Classroom. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up and put this plus button where you're going to get a new tab, and we're going to go to Google Classroom. So I am going to go to the waffle up here and click on it. And then I'm going to find the icon that shows the classroom, and that's where I'm going to click. So you notice when the Google Classroom comes up, it includes all of the classes that you've joined. And you're going to go up here to the add button so that you can add a class, and you're going to click join class. This is where you're going to copy in the class code that you copied from the other document. So now I have the class code in. I'm going to go up to the right to this blue button, and I'm going to be able to join the class. So you'll notice once I'm in the class, Mr. West has put in a link for his first Zoom meeting tomorrow. And there's a link right there, so you're able to go into the Zoom meeting with your teacher right away. So now that you're able to get your Google Classrooms, we're going to show you a few more resources that are available in the digital backpack. So I'm going to go back to the digital backpack, and I'm going to go up here and talk to you really quickly about school calendar schedules. So we'll notice here the daily virtual schedule. I'm going to click on this, and this is going to show me the schedule for our burgundy and silver days. So our first day of school, Thursday, is a burgundy day. You'll notice that if you have 0 period, you go 7:25 to 7:55. First period goes 7:55 to 8:55. And then you have a shorter class, 9 to 9:30. And notice that there's a 5-minute passing period in between. That 5-minute passing period is a great time for you just to take a quick break, to stretch, to grab a drink of water, and get ready for your second period class. So you'll follow the schedule all day, And notice too that there is a lunch built in, 11:10 to 11:50, where you should get a bite to eat and maybe turn off your screen and refresh for the next class. The next day is going to be a silver day, which just means that you'll have a shorter first period, 30 minutes in first and an hour in second, and you'll rotate back and forth. You'll also notice in the digital backpack that they do have a calendar, which is under alternating A-B schedule. And this will show you based on the date, whether we're on a burgundy day or a silver day. So here, the first day of school, we're starting on a burgundy day, and the next day of school, we're on a silver day. Our teachers have been working so hard to plan engaging learning opportunities for you, and they're so excited to see you on our first day of school. Have a great day back, Nighthawks, and let's make this year a great one.